Hello YouTube, let's give you my next project car. Oh, you see that from the inside there? That's the vents that actually operate on this car. The car's not too bad shape. Interior's a little rough. Dash pad looks okay. A little bit of flaking here and there. It's original 289 car. '76 or 67 Mustang fastback. This one did a little dingy here. She's a little rough in spots, but not too bad. I don't think it was originally a red car. Ooh, she's got some fucking issues. I won't pull at that. But yeah, I don't know. It's there. 120 speedometer. That's some interesting features, I guess. Little roof and a quarter there. Again, nothing I can't fix. Hey, let me know what you think. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Hey, just stop by and say hello. Dano out.